AI is going to be effective in three ways: education, optimization, and creativity. Now, how do you grow, scale, and build a business using these tools? Good question. In the AI factory, I'm going to teach you how to monetize and grow a process using AI. In order for AI to be effective in the future, what you're going to need is to develop it into your process. But inside the AI factory, in order to teach you how to do that, I'm going to give you a free example initially. It is the Start AI Assist. It will give you an AI generated plan specific to your community. And then from there, what we're going to do is I will teach you how to turn that into an AI assistant for your community that can help you write an outline for the first module, please. And what's going to happen here is it's going to optimize your process, right? It's going to give you ways to grow and expand quickly. Expand on that, please, Buzz. Let's see what he says. Okay, because the whole goal is when you're developing AI is to develop it into a process. Now, how do I make that effective in the end? Because it's one thing to have a Vertex AI agent assistant to help you do your work, but it's another thing to help it to have AI optimize, your marketing, your blog posts, your product descriptions. So let's look at what we can do here with what we have on AI. Because I've developed this web app, so I have my Vertex AI agent. Now I want to do a social script, right? So I'm going to go into the marketing drop generator. I want to teach people about BizRise.io. Here's all the products that I've created by just doing those AI community assists, right? So I'm going to take this one and I'm going to drop it into a content drop generator because I want to make a marketing script about my community or about my web app that I want to promote, grow, scale, monetize. So in order to do that, I have the system, right? Develop the AI generated plan for your product or service or community, turn that into an AI agent to help you with it, and then drop it in to the content generator in BizRise.io to promote it. Let's see what it says. Title: Unlock your potential with BizRise.io. It gives me a script, a description, keywords, hashtags, a tweet, or an X post, and a blog post that I can put that video in. I'm going to put this video into it because I'm live streaming. I'm going to take it to Streamlabs podcast editor, take out the filler words, take out the pauses. I'm going to use that title for a social post, record it, and I'll be good to go. So how do you monetize a process? Well, power it with AI, teach people how to do it, AI optimize your process, and then create a community teaching people how to do it for free, learn how to monetize it, and create more time, money, and freedom for yourself in your life. The creator economy is large. AI is here. I will teach you how to develop it into a process to optimize your life. Join the AI Factory and become a member of BizRise.io Pro to use it all and unlock my entire Skool community courses. You get it all when you become a BizRise.io Pro member. The AI Factory is free to join, and there's some courses in there. If you want them one by one, you can unlock them one by one. But if you want the whole shebang, become a member of BizRise.io. Holler at me and make sure you follow me live on YouTube, Twitch, and TikTok. Let's get after it. Welcome to the AI Factory.